Then it's going to be loud.
They can probably hear you.
Well, I know. It's going to be loud while he's hunting.
Cletus.
I hear you.
Can't talk.
I'm going to try to be really loud and ruin your hunt.
Okay, or how long you been on? Did you see the buck that was out there eating corn a minute ago?
No, I just turned it on just now.
All right, well, you failed. There was a buck out there eating corn, but it was like a retarded 4-point, 3-point.
Well, you've already seen what? So that makes 3 chasing 1 doe, or at least 3 passing through tonight?
No, it's the doe come running through. The big buck came running after her. And then 10 minutes later or so, this small 3-4 point, I don't know what he is. He's got like a weird side on the left and bigger on the right. I think he's got like 3 on the right, 2 or 1 on the left or something. He came in and then following her scent. And he went into the woods. And then he's the one that came to the feeder a minute ago. And he's over there eating. So I'm like hoping. Got another 20 minutes left.
Yeah. It's that magic hour.
Well, magic 20 minutes. But before sunset, that buck came chasing that doe through. So I'm probably going to have to be back out here tomorrow because I don't know if that dang thing's going to come. And legal light tonight.
With the rut going on and everything right now, I mean, every opportunity you've got, to be able to sit, I would certainly do it.
Yeah, I'm going to have to. I mean, that's crazy. I've never seen bucks in my house, like big, respectable bucks during the daylight until now. I'll get occasional one, like when I'm like, oh, I'm not going to go hunting today, like yesterday. And then that big sucker comes in shooting range in legal light.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, when I come out here tonight, I'm probably not going to see. I mean, I've seen him, but he's probably not going to come in range because he came down to that tree line is there, where that tree is in the middle of the screen to the left.
Yeah.
He went through the woods over there chasing her, and I never seen him after that.
Well, who knows? She's probably not the only one that's hot right now. There'll probably be more that come by.
She's the only one I've seen. Like on my trail cam, I got another one that's got a young deer with it, but I haven't seen any bugs following afterwards.
And deer travel a lot, especially like right now with the rut going on, man. I mean, they'll travel miles. So, I mean, just because you haven't got them on camera doesn't necessarily mean they're not there. I've had plenty out on our property here lately that I've never seen before that just randomly started showing up, passing through.
No, I'll get like a bunch of pictures of like does, and then next thing you know, the very last photo, you don't see a doe, but then there's a buck going a certain direction, like following, but you never caught him on camera until he's chasing her. Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's where it's
Well,
at
hopefully
now.
you end up.
Yeah, I mean, you missed the live feed of the deer in front of me.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was at the store, had to pick up a couple things.
You gotta stay out of the hustler store. It was bad for you.
And getting done at home, man. I got to take whatever opportunity I can get. Apparently, that store is about the only.
Um, can you hear all the yapping dogs?
Oh, of course.
I'm assuming
I heard
probably.
that.
Oh! Here's the doe. Here's the doe. Here's the big buck. Here's the big buck coming in.
Oh shit! We can see it go down. Oh. Hey, he's got that buck. I gonna get shit? Stop it! Stop it! Oh my god! I saw it live. Holy crap! I can't believe I just got to see that live. What? Holy crap! That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Live action.
Did he go down? Now kill the doe.
He's running through my neighbor's yard. Hang on.
Did he go down?
Yeah, I'm watching him run right now.
Abby.
The shot looked high, though, man.
Yeah, he still got my arrow in him.
There. I hope it just wasn't just too high.
God damn it. He went that way, and all the way around through there, ran with the neighbor's horses, and took off that way. And then went
Hang on.
that way.
No, baby, no more.
Well, the arrow's
still right there.
yeah, the shot looked high. That's the only thing I saw.
Well, luckily, once I end this live, I can save the footage. But there's the hot doe right now.
Well, just hang tight. Reload though, man.
Yeah, I'm going to reload.
Hey, so there's a lot of people commenting on here. So I was saying that, I mean, to me, it looked like it was high, but Steve here seems to think that the shot was good.
Well, once I stop the live, I can save the footage, and then I can zoom in on the shot, and then find out. I mean, he literally took off. Here's the doe, though. By the way, she's still out there chilling.
Steve here is bringing good vibes because I'm usually the positive one, but to me, it looked like it was a little high, but he seemed to think it was pretty good.
I mean, I got the good going in. I felt like the shot was good.
Well, maybe it was, man.
But the only problem is the arrow didn't go through, but he was quarter turned away, so I got shoulder, I think, on the exit.
Yeah, well, if you did, that's awesome.
Yeah, I like Steve's comment on the confidence there.
I know. I'm hoping he's right, dude. That was it. Because if that's the case, man, that was the coolest shit I've ever seen.
Well, this is awesome, dude. It's like I still have another 13 minutes of legal light left, and this sucker, I got to watch because last one I shot was 2 minutes left in light. I couldn't see where couldn't follow him running everywhere. This one I got to watch him know a starting point at least, or where to go look.
Well, it probably won't be long before you get reported, and then suddenly we're both banned from TikTok because you.
Well, right now I'm currently on TikTok warning anyways. I mean, if I get kicked off TikTok, I mean it's just another. I'll create a new account and get kicked off of it twice. I mean, it's just TikTok.
I think you need to delete the Harry Craig here. He's bringing bad vibes.
Who? Oh yeah, he's bringing bad.
We've been down
bad vibes. Yeah, Terry, we don't need no negativity, okay? We need meat in the freezer.
I'm beginning to really like Steve here. He seems to have some good perspectives and everything. We're just gonna have to bring him on.
Yeah, Steve's a pretty cool cat. We like you, Steve. This doe is just still standing out there. Can you see her still? See the top of the screen?
Yep. Dude, with her hanging out there still, man, there ain't no telling what else is going to come by.
Well, I'm just going to chill and hopefully she leaves. Or maybe brings a bigger buck in.
Well, now you're kind of caught with the decision. Are you gonna You going to get out and go look, or are you going to give it some time?
I'm trying to kind of wait until she leaves. I mean, I don't want to bump the one bringing the boys in, you know?
Steve says we need to go have a search party.
Steve said what?
Steve says we need to go have a search party. He said, let's go find it in the dark.
I don't see his comment saying we need a search party. He says he don't. Get the hell out.
What time's the end of legal light?
In 10 minutes.
Yeah, you might as well just sit it out then.
Yeah, 53 after is legal light. Is a lot, well, in 11 minutes because you can shoot for the next 10.
Yeah. Well, if you did bury that in the off shoulder with any luck, you'll be able to see that knock just laying on the field.
Yeah, I mean, I literally watched him run, and then he went, which I thought he was going to the neighbors across the creek, which is a hard part to cross. And I think he ran through my woods, jumped across through the woods, came out my other neighbor's property, and was running with the horses. And then he crossed the road and then ran through my other neighbor's property, like directly across the street from me.
What broadhead are you using? Using the expandables?
Yeah, 2-inch cut.
The Rage?
Yep.
Yeah. Hopefully you clip something.
Well, the last deer I shot, I mean, I ended up losing that broadhead because, I mean, it hit bone and broke. So now I'm officially out of broadheads. I'm going to have to buy more.
That's a good way to go out.
Yeah. Dude, seeing him yesterday, there's no chance in hell I thought I was going to see his ass today. And then once I seen him chase her through those woods, 100 yards out, I was like, there's no way they're coming. And then the other buck came in, followed her scent trail. Then he came back, and that gave me a little bit of motivation. But I wasn't thinking anything that it was actually going to happen.
I had to give Steve a follow.
And that fucking doe dude is just out there chilling.
Yeah. Well, she got nobody left. Probably the first time she's been able to catch her breath in about a week.
I mean, she was literally running for her life with that buck chasing her. Oh, there's another deer, another doe.
Watch something else will come out.
Yeah, I'm watching because her ass had her tail up. She's over here at my neighbor's property. She's over there.
Steve said he just came on here. He's already seen 3 deer killed on TikTok today. That's awesome.
We like you, Steve. I mean, you bring good vibes.
Yeah, Steve's the real MVP.
Yep, you see the doe over there?
Yeah.
Walking. Fucking deer. Deer are moving, dude. I'm liking this cold front.
Yeah, it certainly helps, that's for sure. I can't believe that doe's just chilling.
Dude, she hadn't moved. She's just chilling. I don't know if I can. She's right there.
Yeah, Steve, I don't think he's got a grunt on him. Man, you're going to have to go back live once you get down and start looking for him.
Well, the only problem I'm going to have with that neighbor over there is I'm probably going to call a game warden.
Oh, is that the one that doesn't like you?
Yes, because of my Trump flag.
Well, the good thing is if you can see it, then, you should be able just to go over there and do all that and get it taken care of. Otherwise, a game warden come out there and, try to convince her to let you go get it.
Well, she's not really going to have a choice if a game warden gets involved.
Well, she can still deny him. I mean, all he can do is go over there. I mean, only way he can go on a property is if, he has suspicion that there's a crime. Now, if it's just that she won't allow you to go on there, then, she can deny him too, which I think is bullshit. But, she does have that right. Although she'll have to figure out deer.
They don't need permission to get on your property.
They have to, in order to get on your property, though, there has to be suspicion that you've done some sort of wildlife crime or something like that.
Hang on, let's see.
I know you got a grunt call on you.
Boy, I come prepared.
Man, look at you. All right, I was downplaying it. I didn't think you had one.
Gator, don't play. Gator, don't take no shit. I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to get banned from TikTok after this live.
just go on an all-out spree.
I want to go, while I'm in count warning, I'm going over here and taking out deer on live.
Tomorrow, just call into work and then just make
my
it
original game plan was to turn the camera when it came to the shoot or the shot, and I'm like, well, once it happened, it just happened.
Well, I'll let you go, man, because we gotta start getting dinner and everything ready. But let me know, or go live, or let me know something. Let me know how it all turns out. I'll be anxious to see it.
All right, sounds good.
That was about the coolest thing I've ever seen, dude.
Good shot, man. Good shot, brother.
Here's Steve.
You killed that motherfucker, dude.
Steve, you're the real MVP.
I heard that, man.
I'm telling you, man, it looked high to me.
It was a little high, but that artery, he nailed that artery. I guarantee you that some bitch has got blood all over the place. I guarantee the way he started running, man, that shit was tearing into him, dude. Especially if that arrow stayed in him, he's fucked.
Yeah,
I watched him run with the arrow still in him. So.
Yeah, and that arrow, he bumps a limb, it's going to cut him. He's fucked. He's done, dude. I'm telling you. Especially if he went in a thicket somewhere and he bumps that son of a bitch.
Yeah, he ran through some pretty thick woods to get to where he got to run more.
Right on that fucking, right in the wood line.
Only thing that concerns me is that, if you got the off shoulder, then you buried it up in. I just worry that you got the front shoulder. Because
it looked like he got maybe in the last rib a little high, but it looked, man, that shot looked good to me, dude. The way he was quartered away too, man, you fucking pegged him, dude.
That doe dude is just chilling.
Fucking sling one at her.
She's too small.
What is that? What's that?
I'm surprised. She's so small. In my neighbor's property, they had a bigger doe over there running through there. I'm surprised they're chasing this little one.
Yeah, them big doe. You want them mature doe out there.
Yeah, this one's a young doe. I don't even know why they're chasing her, unless she came in early.
Yeah, they do that. Down here in Georgia, they do that a lot. We get another rut in the end of December, man.
Yeah, there's usually a different cycle.
Yeah.
If it is I wouldn't even say that really there's been much going on. The chasing just started.
Oh, they've been chasing them since fucking October 11th down here. And then they stop.
I just got my first chase footage yesterday on camera. And here I am in the blind today.
It's usually the last week of October and the first 2 weeks of November is when somewhere in there is when our prime time is.
In Georgia?
Yeah. It changes up every year. Our climate change. It's fucking crazy, man. It's crazy, man. It was it's fucked up down here.
It's been that way here too for us for the last couple of years. Rut seemed to be early. This is the first year I can remember in the last handful of years that we've actually had your traditional rut patterns and stuff like that going on.
Yeah.
Without the time expected.
We had a 190 class killed about 4 miles from my house. Big motherfucker. Yeah, he's huge, dude. He's on the GON, the cover of GON. Yeah, I haven't been in 4 years. I had a bad hunting accident. Y'all check out my story and shit. I actually brought a bow this year to go back, and I still haven't gone, but I'm probably going next week sometime.
Yeah,
Did you follow me, Steve?
I think so. Yeah, I think I was already following you. Yeah, I had a real bad hunting accident, man. So always wear your harness, or always stay strapped to the tree. I was wearing my harness, but when I go up and down the fucking tree, I wasn't wearing it, and I wound up falling back. If you check out my page, you'll see the whole accident. Well, not the whole accident, but where the rescue is and shit.
dang.
Pretty wild, man. It broke both my ankles instantly. I hung upside down for 8.5 hours.
Oh my!
Yeah, it should have killed me, man.
You still hunting now?
I haven't been since, but I'm going this year. Damn it!
Hell yeah, man! Get out.
And I hunted. I ain't missed a season in 31 years until that happened.
Yeah, keep on going. And now I'm officially out of legal light. So.
Well, go get that deer, man. He's down.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look for him. I'm out of light, so legally.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we do own flashlights. That moon's a little bright tonight.
Hey, don't let him kill you. Don't let him fool you, Steve. He went in there with a spotlight tonight.
Fuck yeah. Don't think I ain't done it with a little pocket light right there, right at dark.
All right. Let's keep the crime confessions to a minimum, please.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I've done it before, but I didn't.
I'm already on TikTok shit list. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna end this live. Steve, I'll check out your video.
Yeah, follow me just in case. I'm clicking on your name and it doesn't show follow. So, yeah, I'm already following you. Okay, Trailer Park.
Okay, yeah. I'll look that. I'm gonna go try to track a deer down, so it might be tomorrow or something like that.
Go get him.
All right. Appreciate you, Steve.
Take pictures.